and we're shelling corn today. Welcome to my crazy life as a first-generation female farmer, the Chronicles of Kayla. I'll see you guys in the buddy seat. Howdy. Happy Tuesday. It's January 2nd. I'm headed back home after a slew of appointments this morning. Met with the surgeon, did all my pre-surgery requirements, all the fun stuff that goes along with getting ready for any sort of operation. Feeling pretty decent about everything today so far. I got a call at 10:30 from Jason because I went by myself because he's trying to get things lined out too. And we're shelling corn today. What are you two doing? Color sorting your beads from Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go check on corn harvest.
Okay.
What do you want for supper?
I don't care. Do we have spaghetti?
Yes, you guys may have spaghetti.
Yay!
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go check on the boys.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, Brian left me. Can you take me down to the barns, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Greatly appreciated. I'll ride for a little bit, and then I'll get out and drone, and then you can ride. Or you and Daddy can ride. Thank you. How's your corn?
It is what it is.
It could be worse.
It's wet.
It's wet. But it is what it is for January, right?
Yep.
Do you know how many bushels you were projected? Do you remember? I don't remember.
No, I don't know what it is going now. It's hard to know because I don't know what the test weight's gonna be.
Yeah.
The test weight just isn't that great. So.
Oh, you got your hay loaded. You gotta go tomorrow? Okay. Good deal. Bring the coon with you, or did you leave it at home?
I dropped the head and let him run off that Spencer Creek. I just relocated him. I'm about to turn the corn head on and make him go on through.
Oh gosh. He was just ready to be put up for winter.
Yeah, he was. He had lots of snacks in here to eat on. He was fat. Might be good and tasty, corn fed.
Ugh. This is why I don't eat at your house. I never know what you're gonna feed me. That is true. I'm ahead of the game.
Yeah.
I was the last one in 2023 and the first one in 24.
Yeah.
Winning. Winning. Okay, so the boys shelled, I don't even know how many acres. I mean, obviously there's only 40 out there, but they're done for the day. It was at one point reading like 26% moisture. I think that's what Brian said in the combine. Keaton got to drive the combine, so he was all excited. Brian sent me a cute little clip. And yeah, came home to rest a little bit. Before I go do chores. There was something else I was going to talk to you guys about, but now it's like, beep. I don't know what it was. It'll come back to me, I'm sure.
Strap this down and then we'll go.
Okay, sounds good.
Edit.
Sometimes you could just make my life just a little bit easier, baby.
Edit.
Yeah. We have to be a family-friendly channel, honey.
Edit.
Yes. You can't leave your Barton words in there. I should have probably worn a heavier coat than just my little jacket. I was not overly prepared. But we're just gonna go feed cows. Excuse me. I'm tired. We're gonna go feed the cows. And then Jason's actually hauling out real early in the morning. He's gonna go deliver. And I have an appointment, 2 appointments tomorrow. So I'll go deal with all of that. The kids go back to school tomorrow, and tomorrow's Wednesday. And then I don't think I have anything planned for Thursday yet, doctor's wise. We need fuel for this tractor. She's a bit cold. Just a bit. Roxy's gonna be muddy. So tomorrow, Jason won't have to hand stack anything, and so he just takes his grab, which is really handy. It makes life a little bit easier to do things. Because he'll just use their skid, Bobcat, whatever it is that they have. I can't remember. You get used to driving one tractor, and then you gotta get in a different tractor, and they're just not set up the same. They're just not. Chilly for me to sit outside. Had strict instructions. No sick people, Don't overexert myself. No heavy lifting. Let my body rest. Take it easy. So, I just gotta get through the next 7 days. 6 days. Till Monday. And then, I'll have surgery sometime Monday. And then I will stay there at the hospital at least a couple days. And then I'll be home. So, it's kind of the agenda at the moment. If you want diesel treatment in it or anything, I didn't do anything.
What?
Do you want 911 in it or anything? Or
What?
Do you want treatment in it?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
How full is it?
It's still flashing at me.
Oh, it's got more than that in it. The only thing I've done over there is turn the heat on. I haven't filled anything. And we're filming.
We're filming. Are you going to do any filming?
I don't know. Am I supposed to?
It would, the people would like it a little bit. It doesn't say it's full. It still says it's flashing. Look, guys, for the record, it says it's still flashing.
Why do we need a Massey? It tells us.
I don't know if you guys heard him in his little wise jokes. He said that's why we need a Massey. It tells us. I got spoiled. And I realized they sent one of the best tractors that they had for us to demo and play with. She is still here, obviously. We did buy her, just for the record. We did. We sold the 6145M, and we bought the 5S from Massey. You guys know by now, Jason's not going to buy something just to please somebody else. He has to really like what we do or what we use. The same goes for the aerator. I know we haven't got to aerate. We've had 2 really dry drought years, and it just hasn't worked. Hopefully this spring, when I'm feeling a little bit better, I can aerate, but it's probably going to put a lot of pressure on me to do that. So let's just be real, not set up any expectations at the moment. We're taking one day at a time and being thankful for every day that we have. Yeah. I'm thankful for all of you guys. So, waiting for Jason to get Roxy, and we'll go. I haven't got to see cows in forever, so Jason and I are actually going to go back together and feed cows today. Pretty excited. He took care of the bulls earlier, so I could go over there. I've kind of missed seeing the girls, because what we do is split off. So whoever comes and helps Jason, typically, whether it's me or Keaton, we split the responsibility. He goes and feeds the mamas with the mixer, and the other one of us goes and takes a skid loader full of silage back to the bullpen and water and take care of that stuff. But since we've already done that today and things, I'm gonna go see cows. And then tomorrow I'll have to fill the water tote up for the bulls and water them and do all the fun stuff. So I'll do that in between my 2 appointments tomorrow. And then I'll pick the kids up from school. They had one request tomorrow because I have an appointment that's that direction, and it's timed out where I can pick them up. Was for me to pick them up and take them to the library. They have their mother's bookwormness, I guess. I am a bookworm. I've always been a bookworm. At any given time, I'm reading 2 or 3 books. Especially this season, I've read a lot. I think last year I read like 55 books. And listened to maybe a dozen or so. I'm not a big audiobook person. It's not really my thing, but It is what it is. So we're really just putting in the rest of the silage. He's already put hay and stuff in it. It's a little bit slimy out. It's not been bad, honestly. I told Jason I'll probably be real nasty next week because I won't be here to help him and he'll have to take care of me. I don't know if there's anything new and exciting going on besides my blog. My website is up and running by now. I'm really, really excited about getting back to it. Writing is more of a therapy for myself, and I always try, if I feel the need and feel God telling me to publish something, it's because I truly feel like it can help at least one person reading it. And you have to realize how many people will watch and see and look up different things, and that's always been my hope, that I just help one person along the way, whether it's, you know, getting into farming or, you know, somebody deciding that they can tackle a skid loader or drive the tractor or, you know, whatever it may be, or start a blog or start a YouTube channel, you know, whatever it is. I'm also going to do some different things, probably leading just in my downtime, because obviously I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of filming at the farm. So I thought that would be perfect time to catch up on my blog and work on my newsletter, the Chronicles. I haven't quite figured out my whole newsletter situation yet, but you guys can go out to the website and the links down below and sign up for the newsletter. You're not going to get spammed by anything. You're also not going to get hit with anything from YouTube or fake accounts, because it's coming straight to me. It goes straight to my email when you sign up for that. And if you've already signed up, like if you follow me on Instagram or follow me on Facebook or anything else, and you've already signed up, you don't have to sign up again through my website. At least not at the moment anyway. So we're going to try to fine tune it where, like, if you want to get more emails, then you get like sign up for different things. But it might include a recipe, a quote, the recent video, some blogs, some motivational words, you know, some sort of tip. I don't know. We'll just kind of play it by ear, but it is what it is. So it's going to be a lot of content straight from the house, I have a feeling. Don't worry, I won't fold my laundry with you guys. I'm not planning on folding my laundry with you guys. I won't bore you that much. How many of you muted me the last 2 minutes and watched Jason feed in silence? I'm thankful for you guys. I might have already told you that. I'm just feeling very thankful today in general. Oh, Keaton's calling me. we goofed up. Jason and I were talking about cows and the radio was on, so you guys got to just enjoy the cows with some pretty music. I'm so sorry. We'll come back over and tomorrow I can actually we can talk about the cows again, because if you leave music on YouTube and it's copyright music, it docks you. Plain and simple. I learned that the hard way with my last video, because I left a little bit of Jenny's Honey Taylor Swift in there, and YouTube people don't like that. So we're gonna head on home. I'm gonna fix some supper and find my PJs and call it a night. So I hope you guys have a fantastic wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, and I will see you soon.